After connecting your first 2 panels using a rubber mallet, insert a bolt-down foot as shown. These should be placed in the same hole every other panel. Add your pre-cut bottom U-channel. Position your panels, mark and drill holes. Insert your second piece of pre-cut U-channel. Secure the first bolt-down foot using your preferred method. Bolts are not supplied as standard. Next, add another panel inserting the tongue into the groove. With moderate force, hit the groove from top to bottom to insert it into the secured panels. Repeat this process with the required number of panels. Finally, position your top U-channel. Corner trims can also be supplied. A single screw every metre is usually sufficient to secure the U-channel in place.